back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what I got for my 19th birthday haul, because I've been doing them for I think around 3 or 4 years now. I've been doing them every single year just because I know that you guys absolutely love them. So I thought I couldn't break the tradition this year and not do one. So here we are with my 19th birthday haul. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all of you that sent me so many lovely messages, because I honestly got bombarded with so many comments and things on my Instagram especially, and it just honestly means the world that you were so supportive and that you just actually cared to write a message. So thank you so much if you did write a message, and also thank you to all of my family and friends that did get me a present, or if like anything's featured in this video, then I honestly appreciate you all so much as well. And I did also vlog my birthday, and I think that video will be up on my vlogging channel before this video is up, so I will link it in the description box down below and also on the screen if you want to go and check it out. I had a really lovely day and I really enjoyed the vlog, so definitely go and check it out because it is a really good one. And one last thing is that if I do not mention your present or gift in this video, then I'm really sorry, but I didn't want to include everything just because it would be so long, but I honestly appreciate it anyway. And I did get a lot of money and vouchers as well, which obviously there's no point me showing you, so yeah. That's enough about me ranting and rambling on, but let's just get straight into the haul. So I don't really know what order I'm going to do this in, so I'm just going to start with like the main things that I got from my parents and close family. So the first thing I got was my main birthday present, and it's a nomination bracelet. And I've been wanting one, I think I wanted one last year, so I've been wanting it for about a year now, and I'm so happy that I got one because honestly I'm already obsessed with it. I've been wearing it every single day. As you can probably tell, I really like my jewellery and I just wear it every single day. So it's a really nice new addition. And I'm going to try and do a close-up of the bracelet. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see, but it has links around it, so it's similar to the concept of a Pandora bracelet where you get the charms, but instead you buy the links, and I just think it's a really special idea. You can get so many different ones. You can get ones that represent special birthdays like 18 and 21 and stuff, and you can also get ones that represent marriage and kids and travel and just like loads of different things. So the first link that I actually got with the bracelet was the N charm, obviously just because that's my initial, and it's in rose gold and it's so pretty, and it also matches my watch. So I actually just got the silver band, and then the two links I got were actually rose gold, so it contrasts really nicely. And then I also got the June link, which just says June and then it has a pearl on it, which is so pretty as well, and I honestly love them so much. I will try and do a proper close-up. Also, I'm really sorry, but I think someone's just decided to mow their lawn and it's so loud. I thought, right, I'm going to film early because there won't be any noise. What is this? Also with the bracelet I got a little jewellery box, and this is really cute. It's called the composable jewellery box, I think, and it basically just like flips up and then you can put the bracelet in one side, and then it has this little like pouch where you can put all the links in if you wanted to. But yeah, this is really cute and it means that I can keep it safe. Okay, this is actually getting on my nerves now. Can you please shut up? I'm so sorry if you can hear it, but I'm just going to carry on anyway. So the next thing I got from my parents was a eyeshadow palette, and I've been wanting this for so long as well. And this is the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. A lot of people have talked about it lately and used it, but it's just so pretty. And also, can we just appreciate this packaging? It's so nice. So I'm just going to open it up for you to show you, because honestly, you need to appreciate this palette because I am obsessed with it. It's so nice, and also this packaging is just even better. It's just so pretty. Everything about it just screams quality, so I just honestly love it. And this is what it looks like. So it's very warm toned, and it has like warm and cool tones though, because the more purpley shades and the more lighter oranges are definitely more cool toned, but it does have all the warm tones that I just absolutely love. I did wear this on my birthday. Which was the shades I wore? I know I definitely wore Turkish Delight and Saffron. I think I might have used Amber as well, but I'm not entirely sure. But in my vlog you will see those colours mixed together, and if you do want me to do a tutorial using this palette, then please let me know, because honestly I would be so excited to do that. The pigmentation is just insane. Like honestly, I've never had an eyeshadow palette that's this good, so I would recommend it. I'm really excited to get more use out of it and create some really fun looks. So the next thing I got from my family was a massive bottle of Pimm's. Is this a litre bottle? Yeah. And I absolutely love Pimm's. I just think it's the perfect summer drink. So I'm so happy that I have this massive bottle. But yeah, I feel like alcohol is just a must when you're over 18 and you have your birthday. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this. Okay, and then the next things I'm going to show you are DVDs and TV series box sets. And for this birthday I did get quite a lot of DVDs just because I really wanted quite a few different box sets and DVDs, and I just thought I'll ask for them for my birthday because there's no better time to ask for them really, and I'm happy with that anyway because I'm really excited to watch them all. So the first set I got was the Sex and the City box set. This was again from my parents, and this is like the TV series. I think there's 10 seasons maybe. I can't actually remember, but I honestly am so excited to watch these. Me and my mum are halfway through season 1 already, and it's just so good, and I've never seen it before, so I asked for it just because I've heard a lot of people talk about it recently and I can't wait to watch the rest of it, and I do currently recommend it, so definitely check it out if you haven't already. And then my mum and dad also got me season 1 and season 2 of One Tree Hill. Again, a TV show so raved about. I know Lucy and Lydia just absolutely love it. I have seen season 1, but that's just because my friend let me borrow it. So I'm really excited to rewatch that and then also watch season 2 as well. And then, really weirdly, you would have seen it in my vlog, but I managed to find seasons 3, 4 and 5 in a charity shop on my actual birthday. So we went charity shopping just for like an hour or so just because we had time to kill, and I thought might as well go and have a look. And no joke, the first shop we went into I found 3, 4 and 5 for £2.50 each, so it's absolute bargain. So now I have seasons 1 to 5, which is going to last me a very long time. I honestly don't know how I'm going to get through all of these DVDs and seasons because this is only like 2 so far and there's so many more. Okay, and then my sister also got me season 1 and season 2 of Glee, which is such a throwback. If you were, how old was this? 2009 it says here? 2009 says 2010. If you were like a teenager then you would have probably watched Glee because it was just the best programme ever. I was so sad when it ended, and yeah, it's just such a good show and I was obsessed with it. Like honestly, I would watch it every single day after school. I really wanted to rewatch it because I don't know if it's still on TV. It might be, but I'm not entirely sure, and it's not on Netflix or anything. So I'm really excited to rewatch them, and yeah, I just think season 1 and 2 were probably the best just because it was where it all started and where all the memes are at. Like all the best songs were in seasons 1 and 2. So yeah, I'm really excited to rewatch these. And then my sister also got me this massive box of Maltesers Teasers. Basically, if you know celebrations, if you're from the UK, you'll know what celebrations are. They're the best chocolates at Christmas. You get these little Malteser chocolates inside, and this is a whole box of just purely those, and they are literally my favourite, and I always go for them every time we have celebrations. So I'm really excited to delve into these because honestly they're just delicious, and I'm probably going to eat these whilst watching one of the box sets, so my life's pretty sorted right now. And then I think these are the last DVDs, which you'll probably be glad to know because you're probably bored with me banging on about different DVDs, but I also just quickly want to mention, if you do want me to do a kind of TV show recommendations video to do with like Netflix and just other TV series, then definitely let me know because once I've finished all of these, I would like to include them in that video, so definitely let me know if you want to see that. It won't be soon just because I'm never going to get through them in like a month or something, so yeah, it'd probably be like next year by now, but if you do want to see that then definitely let me know because I really enjoy watching them, so yeah, just let me know. Okay, so these next few DVDs were from my nan. So the first series I got was Big Little Lies, and this is also a series I've been wanting to watch for a while. I think I heard Tanya Burr talk about it and maybe Zoe. I can't really remember, but I've heard that it's really, really good. And it's got Nicole Kidman, Reese Witherspoon and Shailene Woodley in. So 3 really good female actresses. I'm really excited to watch this. I think it's only been like 1 season. Like this is it, I'm pretty sure. So I hope they do come back with another one because if this is good, I will want another season. And then she also got me Sex and the City the movie, the first one, and also Sex and the City 2 because, as I mentioned earlier, I did get the TV box set and I've never even seen the films. I think I've seen part of 1, but I honestly don't know how I haven't watched them because I know everybody loves them. So I'm really excited to watch these as well because I'm loving the series, so the films are probably just as good and if not better. And then my nan actually also got me the YSL Black Opium perfume. This is one of my all-time favourite perfumes, as well as the, what's it called? Carolina Herrera Good Girl? Bad Girl? Oh my god, I've forgotten what it's called. Is it called Good Girl? I'm pretty sure it's called Good Girl. It's the one in the black heel. I'm just obsessed with it. I got it in Florida and it smells incredible, but this is also my favourite and I'm so excited that I've got another one because mine, no joke, has got about this much left. Like it's probably got about 1 spray left in it, so yeah, I desperately needed a new one, and it is quite an expensive perfume to just go out and buy. I don't really know how to describe the scent. It is quite musky, I would say. It's not really floral or fruity or anything like that. It is quite different and I really just love it, and I love musky scents. So yeah, I honestly love this so much, and the bottle inside is all glittery. And then moving on to my other grandparents, I also got another makeup palette, and this is the Tart Tartist Pro Glow palette, and this is a highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to open it up to show you how many times I'm going to say palette in one sentence. This is what it looks like, and the packaging, again, can we just appreciate it? It's so pretty, and I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like a matte packaging. Well, I don't really know if you would call it matte. It's very smooth, so I'm pretty sure you would call it matte because it's not shiny, but it's just so pretty. And then it opens up like a book in a sense. I don't want to like make it all fall out. Okay, so you just open it up like this, and then you're probably going to get blinded by the mirror. I'm really sorry, I can't cover it because there's two. And then it just comes with 6 different shades, 2 contour shades. I think one's a cream. Yeah, one's a cream, one's a just powder contour. And then there's 4 highlight type shades. So I'm going to try and do a close-up, but it's going to be really hard. And I'm sorry if I'm blinding you. I'm going to try and hold it like that. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very up my street because I love bronzy type highlights and gold highlights. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and I just love Tarte anyway, and this is my first Tarte product, I'm pretty sure. So my first Tarte product? Yeah, I think it is, because I tried to get the concealer in Florida but they didn't have it, so this is my first Tarte palette, and I definitely recommend Tarte as a makeup brand, and I will be buying a lot more, 100%. And then from my granddad I got this massive bottle of Gordon's Pink Gin. I nearly dropped it. Crikey, please don't drop it. Oh my god, I think I'd be heartbroken if I dropped this, because I've just been really loving pink gin at the moment. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend it with lemonade over tonic. I'm not that keen on tonic just because it is quite bitter and quite intense, but with lemonade, this honestly just tastes like summer fruit squash or summer fruits flavoured water. It just tastes amazing, and it's so drinkable, and it's just so nice in the summer as well because it's really refreshing. So yeah, I have another litre bottle of alcohol, and I'll probably save this when I go back to uni, to be honest. I might have like a little bit, but save the majority of it for when I go back, because I know for Freshers Week this will probably do me well. Okay, so that's all the family side sorted, and I'm now going to move on to a couple of things that my friends got me. So the first thing that I got from one of my friends called Laura was a massive Yankee Candle, and I'm pretty sure this is the largest one you can get. Does it say anywhere? I don't think it says, but this is the Summer Scoop scent, and it honestly smells incredible. It's such a summery scent, as the name suggests, but it just smells of like, is it supposed to smell of like raspberry ice cream or something? It's definitely got ice cream on the front of it, so it just kind of reminds me of raspberry type ice cream, and it just smells so good. And also it's so pretty because it's pink, and yeah, I'm so excited to burn this, and I just absolutely love Yankee candles. So yeah, I'm so happy that she got me this, and it's honestly so generous. And then she also got me a couple of other little bits as well, but the only other thing I'm going to mention in this video, just because I don't want to make it too long, is this party popper from Soap & Glory. And I've never seen this, but it's so cool. It comes with 2 mini lip glosses, which are these sexy Mother Pucker lip glosses. Does it show the shades? It doesn't actually say the shades, but one's a kind of reddy, glittery colour, and the other one is just a typical nude colour, and it is literally a party popper, so to get the products out you have to pop it. I'm not going to do it in this video, and I'm a bit scared to do it, to be fair, just because I don't really like party poppers where they just literally bang in your face. So I'm probably going to get one of my family members to do this, and yeah, it is quite a fun idea though. I really like this, and I do love Soap & Glory. So thank you so much, Laura, for getting that. And then my other friend, Georgia, which is one of my friends from home, got me this gorgeous little plaque, and it says, "Friends of the family we choose to have," and it's so cute. And I'm definitely going to hang this up in my room, and I just think that's such a cute idea. She did also get me a Boots voucher as well. And then one of my other friends from home, Annie, got me a bottle of rosé wine. I don't have it with me because it's in the other room, but yeah, that was really lovely as well. And she also got me a load of love hearts because they're my favourite sweets and I'm obsessed with them. So thank you so much, Annie, as well. And then the last couple of things I'm going to mention are really big items. So I thought I would leave them to the end just because I didn't really know where to put them. So I've just shoved them on the end of my bed ready for this part. So I've got 2 big kind of framed presents. So the first present was from one of our family friends, Rebecca, and her sons and also husband as well, and she made this absolutely gorgeous like Scrabble, I don't really know what you'd call this, it's like a Scrabble canvas, if that makes sense. So what she did is she wrote different things out in Scrabble letters and then stuck them onto this piece of card, I'm guessing, and then put it in this frame, which is so nice because it says so many really lovely things. It's got all of our family names on it, and it's got things that I like makeup and vlog, beauty, theatre, all stuff like that, and it's just such a lovely thing to have. So I'm definitely going to put this up on my wall in my room, and yeah, I'm just honestly so grateful for this because it must have taken so long to make. So thank you so much, and I absolutely love it. And then the very last thing I'm going to mention in this video, I think this is the last present I got. I'm really sorry if I've missed anything out. It's just because everything's kind of been put away now and it's just all spread out in my room, so it's really hard to gauge where things are. But I got this off one of my uni friends, Rosie. I honestly was not expecting to receive anything from any of my uni friends, but I'm honestly just so grateful for this because she carried it all the way up to my house as well for when they came over. So yeah, I'm so grateful for this. And it's basically just this frame which has loads of like hanging postcard type things, and on them is loads of different quotes. So it says, "You've got this, own it, believe and you can achieve. Today is going to be a good day, and believer, thinker, dreamer and explorer." And it's just so cute, and I absolutely love quotes, and I think everyone knows I just love little quotes and little things on my wall, which you can see here. So yeah, I absolutely love this. Again, I'm going to put it up in my room, and I'm so grateful for things like this just because I know it takes a lot of thought to get these sort of presents, and especially because they're big. So I'm pretty sure that is everything for my 19th birthday haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and please give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to comment down below as well and do all the lovely things that you always do. Click the bell. Thank you again to everyone, and I honestly just had the best time, and don't forget to check out my birthday vlog, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!